Shut up and sit down.
Welcome back to another episode of Schofield Welding. I have my cousin Sean here with me, and he's about the only one I know that can do something like this. So I hope you guys enjoy. Super fun video. We got Sean to come in here. He's going to, I don't even know what you call this, graffiti?
Yeah.
We're going to graffiti the wall.
Shut up and sit down.
How did you get into this?
VR actually. And what happened was that I did it for so long and I was like, I want to do this for real. I just want to do it. So I got some like 4x8 piece of plywood and just made a design just like I did.
Can we take a look at this one? So this is what we're making. It's what it's supposed to look like at the end. Dude, that's so dope.
Dude, that's freaking wild. What do you think?
Just the outline and then the scope and then highlights and we're done.
Yeah, cool. Woo!
I was like, Mom, can I spray paint that down there? And she's like, yeah, go for it. Go for it.
Hell
I was like, dope. And I mean, bless her heart, because for the next 2 days, the house was filled with fumes. Oh.
That looks good. Let's see here. Yeah, I love it. That looks sharp. So I hope you guys all enjoy and leave us a comment down at the bottom. We'll talk to you here in a bit. See ya.